If you're inside Creative Fabrica Studio and you want to create a new project, you're going to go up here to the top right and you're going to click Add New Design. From here, you can pick your standard or print preset, however big you want your canvas to be. I'm going to select Poster Small and I'm going to click Create New Design. Here you'll see I've got my canvas laid out. However, there's sometimes when you're in Creative Fabrica Studio, so for example, here I'm on the main page of Creative Fabrica and I'm going to click on Create over on the top right. So now I'm back in Creative Fabrica Studio and I've got this templates thing here now stuck in the middle. So where is my actual template? You can see the template's kind of in the background. All you need to do to get rid of this is to click this little X button. It can be tough to see sometimes when I click the X button. Now I'm back to my regular template. You can change this template if you like, simply by modifying the height and the width here at the top. And if this is gone, if this disappears, so now you're sitting here going, well, how do I change this? It's sitting right here. You're going to click it. It's going to come back. There's a little tab there that has your 1200 by 1200, and you can change the size of this if you like. Simply modify it, click Apply, and now you've got a completely different template set up. Hope you found that helpful. Quick little walkthrough on the templates and how you can resize them. Make sure to check out the link in the video description on Creative Fabrica Studio. There's all sorts of amazing graphics. I'll put a link in there. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you click on the link and you wind up purchasing Creative Fabrica subscription or anything on Creative Fabrica, I would receive a small commission. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your print-on-demand journey with Creative Fabrica.